Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to share your favorite Spotify music to your Instagram stories and posts. Whether you want to share your latest jam or create a musical vibe for your followers, this method will make it seamless. So, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Open Spotify. First things first, open up your Spotify app on your smartphone or desktop. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Select your music. Browse through your playlists or search for the song you want to share. Once you've found it, tap on the three dots or the share icon next to the song title. Step 3. Share to Instagram. From the options that pop up, select Instagram or share to Instagram stories depending on your device. This will open your Instagram app directly. Step 4. Customize your story post. Instagram will load with the album art of the song as a sticker or background. You can customize it by adding text, emojis, or other stickers to make it more personal. Step 5. Share your music. Once you're happy with how it looks, simply tap on your story or share to post it to your Instagram story or feed. Voila! Your followers can now tap on the music sticker to listen to the song on Spotify. Conclusion. And there you have it. Sharing your favorite Spotify music to Instagram is that easy. Whether you're sharing your workout playlist or a song that's stuck in your head, this method lets you spread the musical love effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.